Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to do Masala Kuzhu Paniyaram. First, to make Masala Kuzhu Paniyaram, we must have batter. So how to make batter video already I have uploaded in Elite Recipes and I have posted in this Masala Kuzhu Paniyaram description box also. So please go to the description box and see how to make batter. So now let's go into the video. Mustard seed, broken urud dal, curry leaf, cooking oil, chili powder, 1 big onion and 2 tomatoes, salt. So take a pan, pour 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil, season it with mustard and broken urud dal, add chopped onion, mix it well and add chopped tomatoes also. Use ladle and mix it well. Add salt and chili powder. Allow it to cook for some time. Now this is Kuzhu Paniyara batter. Pour little water. Add curry leaf. Add this cooked onion, tomato, masala also. Mix the batter well. See the batter. And in Kuzhu Paniyara pan, pour little gingerly oil. It's non-stick pan, so we don't want much oil. Fill all the holes with batter. Close it with lid. After some time, remove the lid. Flip both the sides till it gets cooked. So beautiful Masala Kuzhu Paniyaram is ready. You can eat this for evening snacks and give it for kids. For this, no need of side dish. If you want, you can keep also. Tasty Paniyaram is ready. Thank you.